Over here you can see a real-time demonstration of a Lidar that's being run by using Raspberry Pi 4. Raspberry Pi 4 is running Linux, Ubuntu, and ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco. Over here you can see RViz visualization of data collected by using the Lidar. If I pick up my Lidar, you can see how the data is changing more or less in real time. Currently the Lidar is scanning my room, and you can see up and down. We can move the Lidar. The data is updated with 10 Hz. And you can see how relatively inexpensive hardware and software can be used for running a Lidar. We created a separate video tutorial explaining how to install and run a Lidar on Raspberry Pi 4 and how to install all the packages in Linux, Ubuntu, and ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco. A link to the tutorial is given in the description below.